Hi friends, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite condiments, something that I always have on hand, and at any given time if you come over to my house and you open up my fridge, you will find inside, and those are pickled red onions. Around here we put pickled red onions on everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything. We put them on tacos, we put them in omelets, we put them on sandwiches, we top them on salads, put them on avocado toast. They're really a versatile condiment, and I love making them. The thing that I love about homemade pickles is you can really tailor them to your liking. So this recipe that I use uses 2 Thai chilies. Now if you follow my channel in the spring and in the summer, you will see that one of my favorite things to grow in the garden is peppers. I love hot peppers, I love sweet peppers, and I love everything in between. One of the things that I love doing is adding them to a jar of homemade pickles. I think when you add hot peppers to pickles, it gives them a little bit of a kick, but it's not like a burn your face off spice. It just kind of gives them something, you know, a little extra and a little different that you don't find in a store-bought pickle. Thank you so much for watching. If you made this recipe, please leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it and how you used it. And I will see you again in a future video very soon.